Hi guys, another bright afternoon, sunshine on my table, lots of shadow, another paper plane from the complete book of paper aeroplanes by David Woodruff. This should be today's Sunbeam Space Transport. Yesterday was the wedge fighter. That one went quite well. Nice, simple, nice, straightforward flights. So this one doesn't look particularly special, other than it's got this bit that flicks up at the back. So, piece of paper. Okay. I think you'll be able to see what I'm doing, even though it's a bit light and dark. Do the usual, fold it up the middle. Oh, hang on, we won't use this piece of paper because it's been folded across the middle and we don't want a fold there. So, change of paper. Right. Okay, fold it up the middle, open it again, fold down the corners. Okay, then fold that down. Straightforward so far. And fold that one back. That appears to not go quite all the way. Fold that down, fold back the tip. Yeah, there's a little bit of a gap just about there. I'll do that by eye rather than measuring it today. And fold the two corners in. And fold them back again. Fold them back and then fold that bit along that line. Didn't get that quite straight. So annoying when it doesn't quite go straight as you want it to. Okay, so we folded them in and out. And then oh, I see. Made it sound very complicated, but that's all that is. That's just folding up under there. So that bit that you've just folded goes up under there. Like that. That's quite a neat bit of strengthening. Right, so we've done that. Oh, this is another one of those ones that you haven't got a central fuselage to grip when you're trying to throw it. Right, what we've got to do is decide where we're going to cut this line. That we are going to have to do some measuring. So that's about 2 centimetres. I'll just go through what I always say. This book, start at the beginning, this book is supposed to rip the page out, fold it up, instructions there, but when you rip the page out you lose the instructions for the next one. So start at the back of the book and work forwards, that way you've always got the instructions on the left hand side, or photocopy it and print it, or do what I'm doing, which is use an ordinary piece of A4 paper and follow the folding instructions. If you need to take any measurements off there, I found that if I use centimetres on there, or millimetres, then on an A4 piece of paper, a centimetre on here, or 10 millimetres, is the same as half an inch on an A4 piece of paper. So if I measure 20 millimetres up there, that'll be the same as 2 half inches, or 1 inch. And then from the edges, 25 millimetres, which will be 20 and 5/10. 20 and 5/10. 20 and 5/10. Not 5/10, 5/20. 20 and 5/20. So that'll be the line up there. Let's draw that line in. Okay, and then this fold call that 48, so that'd be 2 inches and 8/10, which just happens to be where that blue line is. Yeah, so that is our cut line. Which we can probably do with a pair of scissors if we hold it that way up. Okay, so we want that, and then those are going to fold down. Let's try and get this the right way up. Those are going to fold down along that line. That in the light so you can see. So that line I drew there, it's going to fold down along that line. And that is going to go there we are. So that's what we're supposed to have. Something like that. But how do you hold it to throw it? I'll just take the picture of that now. And now we'll see if we can fly it. But I really don't know how we're going to fly that. There's nothing to get hold of. Unless I fold it right up like that to grip it. That's not going to be right, is it? And we hold it gently at the back and just sort of push it. Right, we'll give it a try. That wasn't very convincing. Yeah, that seemed to help. If I squeeze it under there to grip it, that seems to push it into the right shape and it goes nice and straight. Well, that one was another surprise. That went far better than I thought it was going to go. First flight was pretty awful. But after that, it kept going further and further. So I kept increasing the distance to the camera. So yeah, surprised with that one. Remarkably well. It's another one of those sort of hoop gliders, isn't it? That bit sticking up the back. So there we go. That'll do for today. Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there. And you might like to subscribe over there.